Hello friends, how are you? Fine. So this is the fifth lecture on the ailing planet, our planet, the green movements road by Nani Palkiwala. The main point yesterday that we saw was deforestation leading to desertification, fuel demands, food demands, how fuel is more costly than food, etc. These are the things that we saw. So today, first we will see the backbone of this paragraph or this portion of the article. Then we will see that is vocabulary. Highlight. Highlight means to call to attention. Highlight. The government every day highlights the details about COVID-19. Highlights. Call to attention. Understand? The teachers highlight the importance of regular work in your academic life. Highlight, call to attention. Catastrophic depletion. Catastrophe means a terrible happening. For example, an earthquake is a catastrophe. A tsunami is a catastrophe. A catastrophic depletion. Depletion means reducing. Things are reducing. So, things reduce in such a way it becomes a terrible happening, a terrible incident. That is catastrophic depletion means. For example, you can say the blood count of some patients and certain diseases cause catastrophic depletion of blood count. Certain diseases, for example, this typhoid, chikungunya, and corona and so on, COVID-19, etc. They cause catastrophic depletion of the blood count or white corpuscles, any of these things. Sometimes there is a disease, catastrophic depletion of myogen, means muscle. They will, in certain types of diabetes, it causes catastrophic depletion of myogen. That means the thing that gives your muscle, so to say, simple English. Simple. So catastrophic depletion. Loss of weight can cause that. Catastrophic depletion of weight, that also can happen, certain diseases. Okay, reliable data means data that is an information that can be trusted. For example, IMD's data, IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, forecasting rain and so on. So you can say that is reliable. They give reliable data. You can trust them. Then designated means set apart. He is designated to become the next principal. Who? He is designated to become the next principal. Means he is set apart for that. That is it. Then indicated by means shown by. To indicate means to show or to point out. So, weather conditions indicate, or you can say like that, the impending rain, that means the rain that is going to happen just now, impending, immediate. Impending rain is indicated by cloudy sky, indicated by impending rains. Even if you see the sky is overcast with the clouds, that means it is an indication that it's going to rain. So that's what I said, impending rains, indicated by cloudy sky, impending, yes. Or you can say a simple example, that is when there is an issue which affects the students. So the issue affecting the students, you can say a student strike is indicated by the issue affecting adversely the students. If anything, certain issues are there, the students don't like, then that issue, naturally what will happen, you can see, they will agitate. So issues like that. A student agitation is indicated by unrest among the students. A student agitation is indicated by unrest among the students. deteriorated. Deteriorated means become worse. The patient's condition is deteriorating day by day. Certain types of jaundice, diabetes, no, not diabetes, but B, said it. Hepatitis B, jaundice. Jaundice, the medical name for that is hepatitis B. That is, you can say that is, the patient's condition will be deteriorating. Such kind of diseases. Then critical means a critical situation that requires immediate action. That is critical situation. Say a person collapses in a bus stand. That person requires critical attention. He is in a critical situation, and so he needs immediate attention. That is critical situation. Say a person heart failure is a critical situation. Cardiac arrest is a critical situation, isn't it? Cardiac arrest. Or when you are writing exam, you are perspiring, that is a critical, sweating too much. That is a critical situation. That requires immediate action, that's the thing. Then investigate means search and find out. Investigate, the case is being investigated by the policeman. Investigate. Distorting means making something bad, you can say. See, some evil-minded persons distort facts. They make it so horrible. Maybe facts, but still they will put some bad things into that and make it so horrible. That is distorting. And then if you stand in front of a mirror and this is distorting your face. Suppose you do like this. So that is distorting your face. Your face is good face, but you are making it bad. That is distorting. Contraceptive. That is a method or a device used for preventing pregnancy. That is family planning. For family planning, people use contraceptives. Coercion means persuasion. Not simple persuasion. Persuasion with the visa. No? If you are bite with your teeth, so like that. Coercion. So I have seen parents and the other way around. Many students are under the coercion of their parents. Many students study because of the coercion, means compulsion, so to say, of their parents. Coercion, compulsion. Yes, and perpetuation of poverty, perpetuate, means make things last forever. Perpetuate. Perpetuation of poverty means making poverty last forever. Perpetuation. So we should not perpetuate poverty. Or you can say, we should not perpetuate evil habits in us, bad habits in us. And at least at some point you should undergo some reform. I think now that's clear, all the words are very clear to you. Highlight, call attention to your teachers, highlight the importance of your studies. Catastrophic depletion means there is a catastrophic depletion of soil because of the unscientific methods of cultivation. Reliable data, whatever the teachers say, that is reliable data, designated, that person is designated to become the head of the department, indicated by certain incidents are indicated by, or you can say like that, a student, unrest among students, agitation is indicated by unrest among students. Deteriorated become worse, the discipline in the class is getting deteriorated, because they are always talking critical. When the discipline in the class is getting deteriorated, you need to, it becomes critical, you have to take action. Investigated. The principal investigated why the discipline is getting critical, distorting. Some people distort the facts about a particular class. Contraceptive, people use it these days. coercion. Students are under teachers' coercion, compulsion to study. Perpetuation of poverty. We should never perpetuate our bad habits. Or evil, say bad, not evil, but say certain customs. We perpetuate certain customs, even though we know that there is no logic in it. Perpetuate means lasting. Now the main points today is catastrophic depletion of India's forests, so that we continue. Yesterday towards the end of we saw desertification and deforestation, so that point continues today also. The growth of world population, that's another new point. World population. See, the earth cannot hold so many people. Then what happens is the law of Malthusian principle will work. If you have got too many people, then nature will act. Yes. Development and birth control measures. How development and birth control measures should go together. And birth control can be made voluntary, not coercion. Not by coercion, but by willingness, that is voluntary. And perpetuation of poverty. If you don't reduce the population, what happens is that there is a possibility of perpetuation of poverty. Poverty. Is that okay? Okay, let's go through the text. You have got the text with you, alright? So a recent report of our Parliament's Estimates Committee has called to attention, the near catastrophic depletion. Almost it is going to be a terrible happening. Depletion becoming less of India's forests over the last 4 decades. Decade means a period of 10 years. So that means over the last 40 years, if you study, you will find that there is a catastrophic depletion of India's forests, very dangerous. India, according to reliable data, is losing its forest at a rate of 3.7 million acres a year. That is really catastrophic depletion. Large areas we can see officially designated as forests, officially set apart as forests. What happens is that forest land related are virtually almost treeless. In the map you will see that 1,000 acres of land marked as forests. But when you go and physically verify that, there will be no tree, not even grass. That's the situation. And that's why he says there is catastrophic depletion of India's forests. The actual loss of forest is estimated to be 8 times the rate indicated by government statistics. Government statistics don't give you the whole truth. If the government says that 100 acres of land has been now become treeless land, if you go and investigate, you will find that instead of 100 acres, that is about 8 times, 800 acres treeless you will find. So that is the difference. A 3-year study using satellites and aerial photography taken from the and conducted by the United Nations warns that the environment has deteriorated, become worse so badly that it is critical, high time to take an action in many of the 8 countries investigated. So satellites they used the aerial photography, then they found that situation is very, very critical. Yes, it is like a patient dying, a patient in declining health, a patient who is breathing almost his last. So it is very important that we take action now. Must be a 3-year study. There can be no doubt that the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting the future of the human society. So one of the causes is that we have seen deforestation. Now another is that the world population is increasing day by day. It is like a flooded river. Now you see one, say 2 feet. Then next moment even 3 feet. It's going up like that. The water level is going up like that. So also the world population. So it says there can be said one growth of world population has to be controlled. This is one of the strongest factors. Distorting means making things bad. Bad things make worse the future of the human society. Future of the human society depends on, already we have seen, 4 basic things. First, forest, fisheries, grassland, cropland. Forest is very important. Without forest you cannot survive. Plus, you should also be able to control the number of mouths to feed. You have to. Suppose you have only things here on earth for 100 people. And if you have got 500 people, what can we do? So that is the type of things that is happening. So there can be no doubt that the growth of world population is there. It took mankind, you see, look at the speed with which the population is growing. It took mankind more than 1 million years to reach the first billion. And now what about that? That was the world population, you can see, around the year 1800. By 1800, you have only 1 billion. By the year 1900, should know it is written, this article was written in 1994, a second billion added. That means 1800, 1900 years. The first one it took how many years? 1 million years. Now it is second billion was added. For the first billion it took 1800 years. But the second billion it took, you can see, added, and the 20th century has added another 3.7 billion. So 1900, 1 more billion, 20th century, that is to 2000, it is 3.7 billion. See the growth, growing population. The present world population is estimated at 5.7 billion. This is in 1994. You understand? Now what about today? So 5.7 billion. And it says every 4 days the world population increases by 1 million. Every 4 days. How short is the period? 1 million. Fertility falls. As incomes rise, education spreads and health improves. Fertility means fertility of human beings, not the land here. That means the production, human production, production of human beings means birth rate. Birth rate will fall when? If incomes rise. See? And there is popular education, everybody is educated, and your health improves. Thus, development is the best contraceptive. Don't use any artificial contraceptives for bringing down population. The best way is spreading education, making people healthy, conscious of their health, and then you also have what to do with the education. Understand? World population. Then it says the best way, the development is the best contraceptive. Income should rise. Education should be given to everybody, should be educated. And healthy, people should become wealthy. Healthy. Wealthy and healthy. Then what will happen? According to Nani Palkiwala, the population will be reduced. Now that is his view. I don't know. I cannot outright agree with that. That is, don't worry about my agreement or disagreement. But development itself may not be possible if the present increase in numbers continues. That also we know. Development can continue, number also can increase. Why should you stop? I have no idea. You can now think about that. Whether there is a relation between development and number. If the development is such, there can be number. Development should provide for the number. In that case, there won't be any problem, I think. In that case. Otherwise, it is not. So, development and the number. Development should be done in such a way that we should be in a position to feed all these people. Otherwise, what Palkhivala says may be right. You have to reduce the population. That is the thing. And for that, the population also should agree. They should also come, they get educated, then they should also work hard, they should also increase their income level. So the population, the people also should put in their constructive efforts for development. Not that the government will continue development and we will do whatever we like. No, not like that. It has to be complementary. Developments are made by the government should be supported by, or it should be, initiative should be taken by the population. So population should not become a burden on the government, but on the other hand, it will be human resource. Just as we these days we have a ministry of human resource development. Not only material development, but human resource development. Then what can happen is, as we have seen, we can, if the people are educated and they are skilled workers, or they have got the skills, they have acquired the skills, then that won't be a burden. See that? As we can see, our people are working in foreign countries, so that is not a burden. They are sending foreign exchange to us, and we are, in a way, our economy is being supported by those people. So the point is quality people. Population should be of quality. Quality population is required. That is the point. Okay. So the rich, here what happens is something else. But development itself may not be possible if the present increase in numbers continues. The rich get richer and the poor beget children, which produce children, which condemns them to remain poor. That is not a good idea. There should be migration from poor to the next level. Low to middle class to high class. That should be there. So, the importance here is the quality of the population, not the number of population. That's what I think. So we may not agree with me. It's okay. I have got a dream like this. There should be quality population. See that, so that they become really human resource. That's the thing. Not that poor remain always poor. Why poor can work hard and become rich? Rich in many ways. Not only just wealth, but healthy. You can be educated. You can acquire skills. So that way you can. Isn't it? Yeah, that would be a kind of positive way of looking at growth of population. If that could be made possible. Otherwise, of course, you need to control the population, not doubt about that. So, without work, as it remain poor. More children does not mean more workers. Merely more people without work. That should not be there. More children should mean greater human resource. More children should mean greater human resource. Understand? Not that they should become poor, they should remain poor. There should be migration from the lower class to middle class to higher class. That should continue. Just because you are born in a lower class, you should not remain like that. What we should do is that we should grow and then start moving from one level to the other level. In that case, the numbers should be a resource, not a burden. But if you are remaining as without doing anything, lazy, wasting our money, our time and so on, then of course it will be a burden. So it is not suggested that human beings be treated like cattle and compulsorily sterilized. Sterilized means you are actually, what you do is that you are removing the capacity of a person to reproduce. So at the same time, Palkivala also says like that. Don't consider humans as cattle and then compulsorily sterilize for reducing the population. Don't do that. But there is alternative, and that is the voluntary family planning without introducing an element of coercion. So he said, by education that can happen. That's what he said. For development, what you need, development is the best contraceptive. And for that, what you have to educate them. The income level should go up. Understand? And people should become healthy. That is the contraceptive. Not compulsory, not under compulsion sterilizing. Coercion sterilizing. That will be dealing with people just as you deal with cattle. But even that is not now allowed. Isn't it? Cattle, they also have their rights. So we are living in such a world. Therefore, humans should not be compelled to undergo or take or adopt family planning measures, but they should be educated. They should, their income level should grow up. They should move from one level to the other. They should become quality people. So they should become human resource and not a human burden. In that case, what will happen? There will be overall progress. When there is an overall progress, automatically the population will come down, the number. That is a good idea. And that's what he also, I think, directly or indirectly, that's what he also says. Yes, the choice is between control of population and the perpetuation of poverty. So, there are only two things. One is either control population or you remain poor forever. Born poor and remain poor and die poor. That is perpetuation. Why? There's plenty of opportunities, so we can make use of that. Convert the population, large number, the human resource by acquiring skills, education, then whatever is required for the scientific timber and better ways of cultivation and also innovations. So a lot of things that we can do. Of course, for this the basic thing is education, no doubt. So proper education is the best contraceptive. That's what he says. So we should not consider humans as cattle and compulsorily sterilize them. That we should not do. That's what Palkivala also says. Understand? But on the other hand, of course, as we have already seen, as we have already said, that if the number is uncontrollable and it becomes a burden, naturally we have to control. Otherwise, nature will control. Nature will put a brake on it. And we have seen Malthusian theory of population. That is still in operation. Understand? So I hope that you have understood and you are enjoying my classes. See that? And education. Now you are young people. See that? Young and energetic. So you should use your time properly, in a constructive way, then become great builders of our great nation. Understand? Should become great architects of our great nation. Bye. Have a nice day. But before that, there was some anti-code material. Mask prevents the killer. Distance prevents the killer. Cleanliness prevents the killer. Healthy life prevents the killer. Prevention is better than cure. Bye. Have a nice day.